So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once we're on this, we're going to type in sfc /scan. Now click on enter. And now you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in chkdsk /f /r and then click on enter. And then once this comes up, you're going to type in y and then click on enter again. And now for the last step, we need to restart our computer, but keep on watching the video. So for me, I'm going to restart my computer, keep on watching the video. And now as the computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip disk checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You're going to let all the seconds load in, and it's now going to start running the scan. You're going to wait for this to load, and then when you complete the scan, it will take you back into Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.